Hey, what's up, dudes? This is Timmy Lemna here again. And not as good evening to you. And because of the weather alert in this update, we have a blowing dust. The cloud cover is very, at the present time, there's a little windy. And be careful. There's a bit of threat. The dust storm, haboob. There's a cloud cover to the be there. Stay away from lightning in the area. So, the weather report. In fact, there's no tornado warning here in Phoenix, Arizona area. The haboob, these are threat of haboob during a loose power. Or if the storm knocked the power out, please take it in the shelter. So, there you have it. I'll see you in an update. Bye.